Hello, welcome to today's video. Today I'll start off where I left off last week. Let's jump right into it. So what do we have working at this moment is I just need to make sure that we have the plan vital related rules gone, try fewer sessions or a longer plan window, and functionality change. Let's change the planning structure. Okay, the best way to move forward is, I think, where did we leave implementation? So we still can generate the plans. The replacement is currently approved before generation. If rule validation still fails, okay, next implementation plan, new structure generated draft plan, displayed with the rule warnings. Yes. Yes, let's continue with the implementation. Okay, what do we want now? We just need to make sure that each time I create a plan, maybe I should just remove the rules all along, just to make sure that it aligns with what I want to do in generating the plan. Let's see. Docker is not running. Almost done. The goal form is first deleted and created again. Waiting this to be finalized. Yes. Nice. Almost done. Foundry agent. Here are the agents: daily adjustment, code, chat, activity summary, plan generator. Let's go building. Let's update npm along the way. Minor version doesn't matter. Checking the websites. Oopsie. So the plan right now is to make sure the weeks don't violate the rules, and even if they do, now I'm going to be able to accept or decline and then generate a new plan. But this should be done properly. I mean, with AI, this should automatically be generated properly. Okay, let's check pre-tier roadmap. Yeah, okay, perfect. Doing the tests one more time. Running the tests. Done. Yes. Recursive tests, I believe. No idea. Done. For all packages, parallel false. Failed big time. Concurrent runs. And the Docker desktop. Why can't I find Docker desktop? Yeah, start, whatever. Okay. Connection refused. Why? Docker is not working. Yeah, I should just do a restart. Exit 0. Docker, where are you? Containers, Docker. Yeah. I believe I'll do a restart. I think that's it for this week. guess I definitely need to restart. I'm still waiting for this to finish, but it's still a little bit broken. Schema Prisma. Yeah, still not really working as I expected. So I'll stop now and then continue next week. Still broken, could not fix it in like 30 minutes. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. See you next week. Take care.